autonomous marsupial lawnmowers. They really like sweet green pick. The grass grows on sunlight, so the autonomous marsupial lawnmowers are solar powered. Guess who's not joking? Looking at how short and flat all of my lawns are genuinely at. Thanks to the solar powered hoppities. Isn't that right, mate? Payment for services rendered. Thank you, Billy. Thank you, Princess. What about you, little fella? Come on. Okay. You can be shy. Cheap and two-stroke fuel, I can tell you that. Yes, you too would like to be fed. What about you, eh? Come on. You can have that. And you want a bit of that. Yes, you do. Yes. There you go. That's a boy. And you have that one. Isn't that cute? Hey, isn't that cute? Aren't you just such a lovely lawnmower? And you're learning. And you're learning. And you're helping. Yes. Isn't that right? Hey? Warbles on a lot to use you. Ciao. I haven't got to plug them into the wall and recharge them. I just give them a slice of bread. Maybe once or twice a day. To encourage them to hang around and want to eat my grass. Such is life. Ciao.